you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I just received Lunarly. Do you want to see what's going on with the new moon? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so my Lunarly just arrived and I can see in these holes, I don't know if you're gonna be able to, but you see, there's a plant in here. Last moon we had a candle, the month before I had a plant. Today we have a plant, and my mailman decided to think he was cute and tell me to stand back with my arms out like a field goal. And then when I saw which box he was pretending he was gonna field goal, I'm like, no, there's a plant in there. He's like, I know. I'm like, then what are you doing? He's like, just messing with you, but go ahead, let's field goal it. And I'm like, no, give me my box. He likes to mess with me. I get boxes all the time. So it's like, you know, don't mess with my plant. So you guys are gonna have to help me come up with a name. Last time you guys helped me, and my first one is called Luna. And Luna is doing wonderfully. So let's get this open. Now, Lunarly, if you do not know, that is a monthly subscription. It's $40 a month with free shipping, or if you do 3 months, it brings that down to $110. And yeah, this is a spiritual box and it goes with the moons. And I just really like this company and how it's the presentation and what they do. And it looks like we have a rubber plant. I think that's what it's called. I don't know, but let me get this out. So here is the plant. It looks like a rubber plant to me. And then there's a box underneath that has some goodies. This is dropping some dirt from the plant. Yeah, that's probably because of how it was transported. My mailman said though, when he started to put his truck together, this was laying down flat and he noticed that he needed to put it upright. So no telling how it arrived, but I think that is so cute, and how they designed their box to hold this in place is really, really cool. So let me go ahead and get this plant open so we can see what we have here, and then we'll open up the goodies box. There we have it. Look how cute. So what are we going to call her, you guys? Let's see what the new moon is all about, and then you guys can make your decision. How about that? But I think this is a rubber tree plant. So let me just set it here for a second. Okay. Now I'm gonna set her on this thing. Okay, so now let's go ahead. Okay. So let's go ahead and get into here and see what this month is all about. So there is that. And they always put the card in for this moon, and this is the black moon, July 31st, 2019. Get ready to welcome this rare black moon. This only occurs once every 2 to 3 years. It may sound sinister, but this phenomenon is exciting news for your positive intentions. A black moon refers to any time there is more than one new moon during a month. This means it carries even more transformation energy. Think of the black moon as your supercharged amplifier, magnifying your intentions like no other moon. Whatever you've been wanting to take to the next level, set your intentions to do it on the black moon. An intention to inspire. I am powerful. I harness the energy of the black moon to manifest my greatest aspiration, Lunarly. So that is awesome. And I always keep these cards. Not only does it remind me what the moons are and when they are, I think it's just a really cool thing to hang on to. So then they do give you a card. It does go over the plant, and it is a burgundy rubber plant. See, I was right. It is a rubber plant. And the light requirements, your burgundy rubber will grow. Your burgundy rubber will grow best with the constant bright filtered light. So that will help produce the dark burgundy color of the leaves. Many people put their rubber trees near a window where the light is filtered through a pair of sheer curtains. This plant tolerates a low light, but the leaves will fade to a light green color. So that is awesome. Rubber tree leaves are mildly toxic to humans and pets. Typically, indigestion will cause mouth and stomach irritation and possible vomiting. So if you do get this plant, do not let your pets or you don't eat it. That's basically what that says. Don't eat the plant. Okay, so let's go ahead and go over. Now, what they do is they break it into 3 different sections. There's restore, keep, and care. And everything in this box will go over that. So let's see here. Restore, macrame plant hanger, and tarot deck card deck. Oh, okay. So this is the macrame plant hanger. So you hang it there. There's that, and I don't know. So there's 3 things, but it's like, what is supposed to go in this little tiny opening though? That's what how small of a plant do you put in here? A very small, don't tell me my rubber plant is supposed to go in there. Description. Doesn't your plant deserve a fun place to hang? There's no better home for your plant baby to relax and let its leaves hang down than this macrame plant hanger. Are you really supposed to put this in there? Because this is like dirty on the bottom, and I don't know. And I'm going to repot that, and I don't think the new pot would fit in here. I'm not quite sure, but here's a plant hanger. So if you do have a plant you want to hang, there you go. I don't think I'm going to hang this one, but I don't know. Then let's see. Then there is so this deck says that it was first released in the early 20th century. It remains one of the most popular tarot decks around. The next time you feel like staying in and reading, swap your book for this tarot deck. Intentions. The macrame plant hanger, simply set your potted plant in the macrame netting and hang it from a sturdy hook. The tarot deck. To understand your card reading, follow the instruction booklet within the card deck. I think I have this that I got into another one, so I'm gonna go ahead and hang on to this, and I do want to do a giveaway at some point soon with just spiritual things for my spiritual followers. So if I do already have this, then I'll set this aside when I do that giveaway and add it to that. But I don't want to open it just yet because I want it to be new if one of you are going to get it. So there is a tarot deck, which that's really nice to get a whole entire deck in here. That's really cool. Okay, so now under keep is the black tourmaline. So, oh, and they do also give you a little thing for your pot. And it was the same one in the last one too, but I repotted her. So this must be the black tourmaline. Tourmaline? Description. It is said to offer protection from negative energy. Secure your energy with its grounding essence. There's that. With the black tourmaline in hand, no one's bad energy can turn into your bad energy. Instructions. Hold the piece of black tourmaline in your hand as you visualize a protective shield around you. So there's that. So we have that, which is really, really cool. Care. Daily Concept Detox Massage Brush. Huh? So that's what this guy is. It looked like a shoe scrubber, you know, like the ones that you have on the ground and you just rub your shoe around it, like at the golf courses and stuff. That's what I thought this was when I saw it. Obviously it's not a shoe scrubber, but that's what this reminds me of anyways. A detox massage brush. Alrighty, I have very sensitive skin. I don't like rough things on my skin. So I don't know what I'm gonna do with this, but it says for massage in a wide circular motion on problem areas to improve problematic blood flow. For exfoliation, Use sweeping strokes of the bristles over the body. For best results, replace every 60 days. So, you see, doesn't that look like a shoe scrubber? Description: skin having a bad day, brush it off. The Daily Concepts Detox Massage Brush exfoliates deep for fresh skin and a soothing massage. Instructions: gently work the brush in circular motions over your face. That's a big brush to use on your face. Use dry or wet. Don't leave in the shower or wet areas. That is like really like you're just going to be doing your cheek and maybe your little forehead and your chin. I mean, that's a big brush to be using on your face. I would think it was on your body, but improves blood circulation and helps to eliminate toxins. That seems really cool, especially if people do need to have anything that'll help with blood circulation. That I do like, but don't know if I'm going to use this. So that is everything that came in this month's box, you guys. What do you think? So we have this body massaging facial body cleanser buffer upper. I'm not quite sure. We have the full deck of tarot cards, which I do appreciate having a full deck. We have the crystal of the month, which is of the moon, which is the black tourmaline. And then we have a macrame plant hanger upper, which I think is a little small, because literally, you guys, look at how small this little bottom is to put your plant in. It doesn't even open big. So I don't know if I will use this or not. Yeah. So you guys comment down below, let me know. Did you think this was worth it? Again, it's basically $40 a month with free shipping. You get all of that good stuff, and we got this beautiful plant, which I'm so excited to repot this. So what are we gonna call her, you guys? This is the Black Moon. This is a burgundy rubber tree plant. So what are we gonna name her? Help me out, you guys. Let me know. Comments down below, let me know. Your positive interaction with me, it means the world, and I greatly appreciate it. If you're not already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you will see the future videos that I do load for you guys. And until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.